Have you ever wondered what goes on behind that mischievous smile? The things she imagines, the secret ways she wants to take control, explore, and play, but never says out loud? What if I told you that those hidden desires aren't random? They're deeply rooted in how women experience curiosity, excitement, and connection. She's not just thinking, she's planning, craving a mix of thrill, sensation, and emotional closeness that most never see coming. She imagines new ways to tease and test boundaries, ways that make every touch feel electric. She wants to explore slowly, teasing the senses, playing with anticipation, confidence in her moves, knowing that each reaction is a silent acknowledgement of her prowess. That's the secret thrill she cherishes. And it's not just about the moment, it's about the connection, the intimacy, and the unspoken power she holds when she decides to express her desires. Welcome to Feminine Insight, where we dive deep into the hidden thoughts and desires that women often keep to themselves. Today, we're uncovering the secret things she wants to explore and experience in intimacy. If you're ready for these insights, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. When it comes to curiosity and exploration, it's really fascinating how much thought and imagination goes on behind the scenes. Women often have this natural desire to explore new sensations and experiences, especially when it comes to intimacy. It's not just about the physical act itself. It's about discovering what feels good, what excites, and what creates a unique connection. There's a thrill in the unknown, in experimenting with ways to heighten pleasure, and in seeing how different approaches can spark reaction and enjoyment. This curiosity is quiet but persistent. It's there in the way she imagines, plans, and sometimes even teases before anything actually happens. Exploration is deeply personal. It's about understanding her own body, her preferences, and the small things that make a moment unforgettable. She might be thinking about ways to try something new, testing boundaries in her mind before even attempting them. This process isn't rushed, it's deliberate. There's a joy in anticipation, in knowing that each discovery is a step towards something more thrilling. She doesn't just want routine or predictability. She wants moments that feel alive, moments that make her feel fully present and in control of her own enjoyment. At the same time, curiosity isn't just selfish, it's about connection. Exploring new experiences often comes with the hope that it will create a deeper bond, an unspoken understanding that enhances intimacy. She enjoys experimenting because it opens up space for playful interaction, for learning about responses, and for feeling empowered in ways that are both physical and emotional. This desire to explore is subtle, often hidden, but it drives a lot of the energy and anticipation she brings to intimate moments. It's that blend of curiosity, playfulness, and self-awareness that makes the experience exciting, meaningful, and memorable. Control and playfulness are surprisingly important in the way women experience intimacy. It's not about domination in a harsh sense. It's about having the freedom to express herself, to test boundaries, and to explore what feels exciting. There's a unique thrill in being able to play, to take small risks, and to guide the experience in ways that feel satisfying. This isn't always visible on the surface. It can be in a subtle touch, a teasing smile, or the way she shifts attention to something she knows will create a reaction. That sense of control gives her confidence, allowing her to fully enjoy the moment without hesitation. Playfulness adds a layer of fun and spontaneity. She wants moments where there's laughter, teasing, and gentle surprises. It's the balance of being adventurous while feeling safe that makes the experience exhilarating. Trying new things, testing limits in a way that feels comfortable, and seeing how different choices affect the moment creates a kind of shared energy. The playful side isn't just about novelty, it's about expressing herself freely and watching how that expression changes the dynamic in a positive, exciting way. Having control also connects to emotional confidence. When she knows she can explore safely and see the impact of her choices, it strengthens self-awareness and self-assurance. This isn't about needing permission. It's about feeling empowered to act on her curiosity, to guide experiences in ways that feel authentic and pleasurable. That empowerment can create a stronger connection because she's not just participating passively, she's contributing actively, shaping the experience with intention. In essence, the combination of control and playfulness is a subtle but powerful part of how women experience intimacy. It's about balancing curiosity, confidence, and fun, creating moments that are memorable and deeply satisfying. These small gestures of control and playful experimentation often make a big difference in how connected and alive she feels in the experience. Connection through intimacy is one of the most important aspects of how women experience closeness and desire. It's not just about physical touch, it's about feeling understood, seen, and emotionally connected in the moment. There's a deep satisfaction in knowing that what she does is noticed and appreciated, and that her partner is attuned to her responses. That awareness transforms ordinary moments into something meaningful, where each touch, glance, or subtle gesture carries emotional weight and significance. The emotional side of intimacy often drives her curiosity and engagement. When she feels a genuine connection, it heightens her enjoyment and makes her more open to exploring different ways of giving and receiving pleasure. She wants to experience closeness that goes beyond the surface, where trust and understanding create a safe space to be expressive and adventurous. This connection encourages her to take risks she might not otherwise feel comfortable with, knowing that the emotional bond supports exploration rather than judgment. Intimacy also works as a form of communication. Through touch, attention, and responsiveness, she conveys desires and emotions that words sometimes can't capture. Being emotionally present allows her to feel more empowered in expressing herself, whether it's through subtle teasing, playful experimentation, or fully surrendering to the moment. The interplay of emotional awareness and physical engagement makes the experience richer and more satisfying for her. Ultimately, the desire for connection is about more than just feeling close. It's about feeling aligned, valued, and mutually attuned. She seeks moments where emotional intimacy enhances the physical experience, creating a sense of unity and resonance that makes the experience feel alive. The deeper the connection, the more fully she can explore, enjoy, and express her desires, making every shared moment feel unique and memorable. Confidence and validation play a subtle but powerful role in how women experience intimacy. It's not about needing constant reassurance. It's about feeling that her actions, her choices, and her presence are noticed and appreciated. When she senses that what she's doing has an effect, that it elicits a response, it creates a quiet sense of empowerment. That feeling of being seen in a moment of vulnerability or openness is deeply satisfying and encourages her to express herself more freely. Validation often comes from small things, a look, a reaction, or a subtle acknowledgement of her effort. These cues confirm that her confidence in exploring pleasure and expressing desire is well placed. She doesn't need over-the-top praise. She thrives on the recognition that her moves matter and that she can influence the experience positively. This recognition builds her self-assurance, making her feel capable and valued without needing to say it aloud. Confidence also influences the way she experiments and engages. When she feels secure in her sense of self and her desirability, she's more willing to try new things, take subtle risks, and embrace playful or adventurous moments. That quiet self-assurance allows her to be fully present, attuned to sensations and emotions, and confident in exploring both her own pleasure and the shared experience. At the same time, validation and confidence feed into emotional connection. When she feels seen and appreciated, it strengthens trust, deepens engagement, and enhances intimacy. That sense of recognition allows her to be more expressive, more playful, and more open to exploration, knowing that her curiosity and initiative are welcomed rather than dismissed. Confidence and validation together create an environment where she can fully enjoy the experience, feel empowered in her choices, and connect on a deeper emotional and physical level. Fantasy and roleplay are an important part of how women experience desire and intimacy. It's not always something she says out loud, but in her mind, she explores scenarios and ideas that feel exciting, different, or even a little daring. These fantasies allow her to step outside everyday boundaries and imagine moments that heighten anticipation, curiosity, and pleasure. It's a private space where she can explore creativity, adventure, and emotion all at once, experimenting with situations she may want to experience in reality someday. Roleplay adds a playful and imaginative layer to intimacy. It's about stepping into a character or scenario, even in small ways, and enjoying the shift in dynamics. She might imagine taking the lead, testing limits, or exploring moods that feel liberating or thrilling. This isn't about performance. It's about fun, curiosity, and engaging the mind as much as the body. Even subtle shifts like teasing or playful gestures bring fantasy to life and make the moment feel more intense and memorable. Engaging in fantasy allows her to connect more deeply with her own desires. It's a way of exploring what excites her, what gives her pleasure, and what feels emotionally satisfying. Fantasies are a safe space for experimentation, a way to play with ideas she might not otherwise express, and a method of discovering what resonates most with her sensual and emotional self. They can be as simple as imagining scenarios or as complex as fully acting out a playful scenario in a moment of intimacy. She wants to explore in ways that feel safe but exciting, to experiment and play, to feel seen and valued, and to connect on a level that goes beyond the surface. Her fantasies and imagination add layers of intrigue and anticipation, while her awareness of sensations and emotions amplifies every touch and every glance. It's a delicate balance of empowerment, curiosity, and emotional resonance that shapes the experience for her. Ultimately, what she secretly wants is to feel fully present, fully alive, and fully engaged in the moment. It's about trust, understanding, and a shared rhythm that makes intimacy feel special and memorable. Recognizing these desires, even in subtle ways, is what transforms ordinary moments into something extraordinary. By paying attention to the emotional, psychological, and sensory layers of her experience, you begin to understand that intimacy isn't just physical. It's a rich, multi-dimensional connection where curiosity, confidence, and connection come together. It's in these moments that she feels empowered, valued, and truly free to explore her desires in a way that feels authentic and unforgettable. Thank you for watching Feminine Insight. If this resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a whisper in the comments to show you loved this insight and want more.